If you've been watching us for a while on the River House series, you have seen me just bashing my head against the rocks, so to speak, clearing brush. And this is the little tiny MS Stihl 210 that I primarily use. And I was about to cut down an old rotten stump, and she just locked up and would not move. Just locked up and would not move. And then I get all set up to make a YouTube video because I was going to dismantle the clutch so that I could figure out why it was locked up. I mean, I'd put the chain against a tree. You know how it is when you get something stuck in there. You put the chain against something hard and you push and you work it back out. It would not budge. Period. Just would not budge. And so anyways, I'm getting all set up here to take this apart so that I can make a video trying to figure out how the heck I sucked something inside the clutch, or did the clutch itself break. And in the process of doing that, I turn the camera on and I notice that the kickback brake was engaged, right? So the chain brake was engaged in the saw. And I clicked it back like that, and at that moment I realized what a frickin' idiot I am, and that I actually stopped working early because I had accidentally kicked the chain brake on and then forgot to remove it, which is just bad enough, right? But then I went so far as to begin making a YouTube video about my explorations into figuring out why my saw was broken, and then discovered on camera that I am, in fact, a world-class moron. But I decided I was going to upload this anyways,